Thank you very much for joining us this afternoon here, Parkgate Leisure in the sun. If you like these videos, give us a thumbs up. This afternoon we're looking at a Wellhouse, that's the manufacturer, and it's a Terrier camper. They're a fairly small manufacturer of motorhomes, but they are a recognised factory conversion. So this van has never been anything other than a motorhome. Quite important. It's not a professional conversion, it's way better than that, and it's certainly not a DIY job. Doesn't look like it's got a pop top, but it has. So we're actually going to divide this video up into two. So we're going to have a look around the outside now, and we'll have a look around the inside in the next video. But yeah, we're looking at condition on this. So good quality tyres there. They've got the snowflake on and the sun, so they're good for winter and summer. In good order, plenty of tread on them. We do have, this van was washed off, but it was a couple of days ago now, and it's sort of gathering dust. There's even a cobweb there. But yeah, there's a little ding in that driver's door. The plastics are good, the glass is good, the paint works good. Matching rear tyre in good order, alloy's nice. Got electric hookup. There is an onboard tank, you can see that just down there underneath. So you know, this is a proper bit of kit, not a lash up or an alleged professional conversion. It's based on the Transit Custom 155. Again, the back's all in good order, the roof is. This side's looking nice too. Looks like there's a bit of the gravel shows it up really strong. It's not that easy to spot normally. Front end's all nice, not too chippy. Obviously there are a few chips there, but all in all a nice presentable camper van. We'll finish this one here, and if you're interested, come back, have a look at the inside of this this van, and we'll get the roof up and show you in there too. In fact, we'll pop the roof up now. So there you go guys, we've got the roof up. See, there's the mesh sides, big screen at the front. It's one of the high pops, so not only does it pop at the front, but you've got this double or cantilever hinge thing at the back that allows it to pop up the back a few inches as well, making for much more room in there. As you can see, there's been a bit of a repair on there. There's no holes in it, bit of a repair along the back. Oh, that bit of trim just needs popping back on. Same on this side. There you go, all in good order. If you like what you see, come and have a look around the inside.